Hello everyone, I'm Lida Contreras and today I'm going to teach you the voice and voiceless sounds and manners of articulation. First, the voice and voiceless sounds. This refers when the vocal cords vibrate during the production of a sound. With the voice, you can feel the vibration placing your fingers on your jaw, for example, Z, Z. With voiceless sounds, the vocal cords don't vibrate, for example, A. So, now we learn about the manners of articulation. Exist 5 manners: nasal, plosive, fricative, affricative, and approximate. It's produced when the airflow is blocked in the mouth and the air is forcing the exit through the nose. 3 main nasal sounds are M. It's bilabial and made by closing both lips and allowing air to pass through the nose. For example, man, man, man. The next is N. It's alveolar and made by placing the tongue against the alveolar ridge and allowing air to pass through the nose. For example, moon, moon, moon. The last is N. Bella. This sound is made by raising the back of the tongue to touch the soft palate and allowing air to pass through the nose. For example, sing, sing, sing. Second, are plosive. These sounds where the airflow is completely blocked in the vocal tract and then suddenly relax. It's like a small explosion. We have many plosives like P, paper, B, bat, T, time, D, dance, K, kiss, and G, go. Third, fricative. Unlike plosives that make explosion sound, the fricatives involve continuous flow of air. We have many fricatives like F, face, TH, fan, SH, shine, and the V like video. Four, affricative. These manners combine plosives and nasals. This means the airflow followed by a gradual release through a narrow channel, creating friction. We have many manners like SH begins like a D and relates to SH. Example, shell or much. The next is J. Begins like a D and relates into a SH. Example, judge and A. The last is approximate. There are sounds where the articulations come close to each other but not close enough to cause friction. The airflow is only slightly obstructed, creating a smooth flowing sound. The letters is W, wine, R, red, J, jungle, and L, lady. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!